Hello everyone, I'm Charlene and today we're going to be making some saltine cracker candy. What you will need is a stick of butter, a half a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of chocolate chip morsels, and some saltine crackers. Okay, first you will need your butter, a half a cup of brown sugar. Just melt your butter in a pan and then add your brown sugar. While this is coming to a boil, and have your oven preheating to 400. When it starts to boil, start your timer 2 minutes and continuously stir. We don't want it to stick. Once this has been 2 minutes, all you do is you pour this onto the crackers. Make sure you get them right. Okay. You take your morsels and you just sprinkle as many as you like. Stick it in the oven for 2 minutes. Now it is out of the oven, and all you do is you just let these little chocolate chips here melt onto your crackers. Now you can eat it like this, or you can add walnuts, pecans, anything that you like. We like walnuts. What you do now is you sprinkle the walnuts onto this delicious candy. Here is the finished product. It is delicious, and if you try it and you like it, leave us a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.